How to open Terabox link without app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, to get started, let's go ahead and say that my friend sends me a link on my messaging application right here, and I want to go ahead and open this specific link, but I don't have a Terabox app. Well, you can go ahead and open a Terabox link without actually installing the Terabox application through your mobile devices. To do this, all you have to do is to go ahead and copy the link that you want to go ahead and open up, and from here you can just open up any browser you have installed to your device. In my case, I'm going to be using my Chrome browser, and once inside, all you have to do is to basically go ahead and paste the link right here, and it will go ahead and open up without actually installing the application. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.